What's up, YouTube? Are you sick and tired of trying to make money online and failing constantly? If so, there's a brand new method that I just learned about called the dual shock method. Stay with me. I'm going to tell you all about it right after this. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I'm known as the man with a hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am actually one of the few people who can pull one off successfully. Well, me and this guy. Now, if you're new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products in the Make My Online niche, basically because I want to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Bart, this is so ridiculous. Just pay attention to my reviews and you won't end up with a bunch of crap. Listen to Homer. He never ever listens. He's so annoying, that guy. He's a really annoying person. Anyway, the way it works here is that if I like a product, I give it to my the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Thank you, Liz Lemon. Now, you see, she's a sweetheart. Unlike that bar character who drives me crazy, she always says the sweetest things. Now, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and smash the subscribe button. Hit that bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe means nothing here on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like this video, comment down below, and let's get right into this. Page for the dual shock system. This is by Aiden Corky and Fergal Downs, those two guys. Now, basically, the concept is like this. I'm sure that if you've been around long enough, you've heard the term "the money is in the list." You've also probably heard email marketing is dead. And so a lot of people love the idea of Facebook Messenger marketing, where you basically build yourself up a list of buyers on Facebook and you message them through Facebook. This is the newest thing, the newest trend for being able to build yourself a buyers list. You can see the kind of numbers that these guys are getting as far as the numbers of opens, numbers of click-throughs. And yes, it does work extremely, extremely well. Facebook Messenger messages actually do get opened a lot. There are two issues. Number one, you have to get buyers onto your Facebook Messenger bot. How do you get those buyers onto your bot? Well, that's a good question, and that's something that Fergal and Aiden are going to answer in this particular course. But there's another issue, and here's the big one. Facebook, pardon me for saying it, they're evil. They can shut you down in a second. They don't care. They can decide, hey, you know what? Sorry, we don't like you. Shut down. Beep. You're done.
Can't you see we don't want you anymore?
And that's it. Yeah, kind of like that. You're shut down. You're gone. You're finished. You're nowhere. Anyway. And then basically all of the hard work that you did, all the time you spent building your buyers list on Facebook, kaput, finished, no more. So what these two guys thought about was, well, hey, what if we combine the best of both worlds? Let's go ahead and create a Facebook Messenger bot, but also build an email buyers list at the same time. Aha! And so that's basically what this course is all about. It's basically about building yourself a buyers list on Facebook, people who you know that buy stuff, and they're going to show you how to do it. It's not very hard to do. Anybody can do it. It just takes a bit of time to build it up. But now here's the big thing. When you build it up, what you do need to do is offer them something that's really, really valuable in order to get them onto your list. Now, they're going to talk about creating something. And I know everybody, as soon as they hear the word create, oh, God, I don't feel like creating anything. No, thank you. So what I'm going to do for you is like this. I'm going to give it to you. Yes, that's right. I'm going to give you something to give away that's really, really valuable. I've got 5, count them, 5 different courses that you can give away for free to your buyers list to get them to build your buyers list, basically. These are really high value stuff where you're going to teach people how to make money online. These are stuff that people don't know about because I'm the only one who has them right now. So you're going to be able to give them away, and make a lot of money off of these things. And I'm going to give it to you for free when you pick this thing up. So how cool is that? But I'm not done yet, because as everyone here knows, I am the king of over delivery. Yes,
So good to be king.
yes, I'm the king, not you. I'm the king. No. So in addition to that, I'm also going to give you my course on how to profit from a small email list. Even though you might have 5,000 people, 5,000 people is not necessarily that big of a list. I'm giving my course on how to profit from a small email list. But I'm not done yet. Pick up any one upgrade to this package, and I'm going to give you yet another bonus. I'm going to give you a 2-hour Instagram shout out. I have over 5,000 followers on my Instagram. You get a 2-hour Instagram shout out. Pick up any one upgrade. Pick up the entire funnel, and I'm going to write your next email campaign for you. 5 emails for whatever product you want to promote. I will personally write your email campaign for you. This is huge. This is going to make you a ton of money, because I am really, really good at what I do. I am one of the best at copywriting that there is. Not to toot my own horn, but I just am. Okay, so enough said about that. Let's go ahead and take a look at the members area and see what's actually included with this course. Okay, so we're in the members area for the Dual Shock Buyer Traffic program. You can see it's a nice little course over here. Set up pretty nicely, showing you how to build your buyer audience, obviously, how to drive traffic to your Facebook bot. It's obviously all about building a Facebook bot. Okay, it gives you a bunch of different case studies showing you what to do, how to do it, the whole 9 yards. It's really not that very hard to do, to be perfectly honest. This method is relatively simple. Anybody can do it. It takes a bit of work, but not a whole lot of work to build up your buyers list. And of course, with my bonus, you're going to be able to really build it a lot quicker, because you don't have to create anything. You don't have to do any work. I do the work for you. You just go ahead and profit from it. Very, very simple. Very, very easy to do. And you can see it's a bunch of courses. There's going to be a few other bonuses I'm going to probably give you guys, which are basically going to be coming off of the creators. Let me go ahead and show you those real quick, just so you can see them, and then we're going to see if I'm going to give it to my hat to the product creator or not. Okay, so just a quick thing about a couple more bonuses, because you can see that I am one of the friends of Aiden and Corky, so they're letting me give away some of their really cool products. So a few extra bonuses. Easy pie, let's see, 197 value. No souls left unturned. Watch over the shoulders. You learn everything there is to know about becoming a well-known, respected affiliate marketer. That's pretty cool. All right, let's see what's number 2. Email marketing specialist. Access to my exclusive email marketing course, how to increase and open and click rates rapidly. Well, you're getting my own course on this as well, but can't hurt to have 2 of them. Okay, broadcast marketing, a real-life $4,000 case study where you watch a full-time teacher go from total online newbie to generating $4,000 in 5 days. That sounds pretty cool. All right, Pinnacle, how to build an email list in any niche using Facebook ads and make up to $125 a day in the process. Traffic problem solved, how to get unlimited free and paid traffic from Facebook in any niche. Okay, quick affiliate sniper, how to rank your videos on the first page of YouTube and Google in any niche. That sounds cool. And snowball traffic, how to actually build up your own Facebook group, which is also really, really valuable. So a couple of extra bonuses. Let's go ahead and see if I'm going to give a tip of my hat to the product creator or not. Okay, so I'm going to give a tip of my hat to Aiden and Fergal. So yes, I am. It's a nice little course. There you go, guys. The concept is interesting. I have seen other people talk about building a Facebook Messenger bot before, but the concept of combining the Facebook Messenger bot together with an email list is a cool twist on an older concept, and the method is solid. It's not something that a whole lot of people know about yet, so this is still pretty fresh and pretty untapped, and with my bonus, you basically don't have to do any of the work. So yeah, go ahead and pick it up. You're going to love it.